What if I told you that Samsung has just released a brand new 5G smartphone, but instead of making a grand announcement or hosting an event, they quietly slipped it onto their website? That's exactly what happened with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. After weeks of leaks showing its design, specs, and even price, the company officially listed it on their Ireland website without saying much at all. Interestingly, before Samsung's official move, some retailers in Europe had already posted the phone online, complete with promotional images, and even started selling it. For now, Ireland is the only market where it's available, and the official price is set at €239. The listing doesn't confirm the exact RAM or storage included for that price, nor does it offer multiple variants, but buyers can choose between three colors: black, blue, and gray. The phone is on pre-order with no confirmed shipping date, and Samsung's site doesn't actually list all the specs, but thanks to earlier leaks and retailer listings, we know what's inside. The Galaxy A17 5G comes with a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display offering a full HD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which means sharper visuals and fluid scrolling whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing. Under the hood, it runs on Samsung's Exynos 1330 processor, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, providing enough power for daily use and multitasking. The battery is a generous 5,000 mAh unit, supporting 25-watt fast charging, so you can quickly get back to using it after plugging it in. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup: 50-megapixel main lens with optical image stabilization for clearer shots, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing more in a single frame, and a 2-megapixel macro camera for close-up detail. The front camera is 13 megapixels, which should be plenty for selfies and video calls. The phone also has an IP5 rating, giving it protection against dust and light water splashes, which adds a bit of durability for everyday use. For connectivity, it supports dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and an NFC, making it well-equipped for modern needs. While the launch was quiet, the device itself offers a solid set of features for its price range, especially for those wanting 5G connectivity and a big, high-quality screen without spending too much. It's worth noting that Samsung might be testing the market with this soft launch in Ireland before releasing it in more countries, but if it does become available globally, it could attract attention from users looking for a reliable mid-range phone. The Galaxy A17 5G's combination of a bright AMOLED display, capable hardware, strong battery life, and versatile cameras makes it a tempting option for its price. The only mystery left is why Samsung decided to keep things so low-key when launching. Maybe they're saving the big marketing push for later, or perhaps they just want the phone to speak for itself. Either way, it's now out in the wild, and if you're in Ireland, you can already secure one. So what do you think? Should Samsung have given the Galaxy A17 5G more attention, or does a quiet launch make it more appealing? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more simple, clear, and up-to-date tech news. **